When you press delete, have you ever noticed that it doesn't actually delete everything? Let me show you. So here's some titles that I did on a previous video. If you're interested, I will link the video in the description cards above. However, I don't need this anymore, so I want to get rid of it. I'm going to just highlight it as I would normally, press delete on my keyboard. And yes, the text is gone. However, if you look up here in the ribbon, you can see that actually my formatting is still available. It hasn't removed the formatting. That's because although we think delete, the official title, the official command is actually clear. Over here on my editing group on the home ribbon, I've got the little eraser button, which is the clear option. And when you click here, you actually can now see that you've got a number of different options. So delete is actually clear contents, which means it will remove whatever's in the cell, but that's it. You can see that I've also got things like hyperlinks, notes, but I've also got clear formats. This is actually what I want to choose now, which will remove my formatting, and you can see it's now a standard cell. If I jump into another sheet, because I did this for a number of sheet tabs, what I can actually use, if I don't need any of this anymore, I can click on my drop down arrow for clear and choose the command clear all. This actually, as it says, clears everything from the cells. That's not only the content but also the formatting and anything else. So now in a single command I can remove everything. Again, quick and easy. Hi, I'm Michelle, your computer trainer, here to help you use your computer and everyday programs quickly and easily, stress-free. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to be notified about new videos as they're released, remember to subscribe to the channel.